Hey guys, my name is Kara. Thank you for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and your EIN number if you choose to do so in the state of Nebraska. And this is going to be like a walkthrough tutorial. So click the link in the description below or in the top pinned comment. It's going to bring you to the Taylor Brands website so you can follow along. So basically, I'll be showing you on my computer screen and you can follow along at the same time. That way, by the end of this video, which is only going to be like 5 minutes, you'll have your LLC completely filed. So click the link in the description and let's just get right into it. So to start, we're going to click the state of Nebraska. And then you're going to type in your business name to see if it's available. So for me, I do eyelash extensions, so I'm going to type in my name. Okay, and we're just going to hit next. And what stage is your business currently in? So for me, I'm already in business, but just select what best applies for you. And then it's asking what industry you fall into. So you may fall into a couple different categories, or maybe you're not sure exactly which one. But you can see as you start to type in a letter, like thousands of options come up and they get really specific. So I'm gonna start to type in eyelash and there it is. And what is it that you're offering? So you're either selling a physical good or a professional service. Now, if you have something that doesn't fall into one of those categories, you can type it here, but I can't even think of anything that doesn't. So just select one of these two options. For me, like I mentioned, I'm providing a service, but if I was also selling some sort of product, I could also select this option as well. And are you planning to hire employees? So you're just going to select where you're at the current moment. So maybe you don't have employees and then you file your LLC and then you realize, you do want to hire employees. That's fine. It won't affect your LLC and you won't have to make any changes later on. So now you're just going to type in your zip code. And where is it that you're serving your customers? So you're either selling online at a shopper's store or you're on the go, or maybe you're all three. So you're going to select the ones that apply for you. Like I mentioned, I'm mobile, I'm on the go, but let's say I had a website as well. Maybe I'm selling some sort of makeup or lash product there too. I can select this one. And if you happen to also have a shopper's store, feel free to click this one as well. Okay, so today we're going to be filing for our LLC. So just make sure it's clicked and highlighted in blue. And then you're also going to select EIN. So your EIN is really important for your business. And the reason I want you to get it today is because it's basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes or if you open a business credit card or bank account. And at some point down the line, you more than likely will need to have an EIN number. And I love that Taylor Brands is kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. So it's like I can get that here, I can get my LLC, and if you needed anything else, let's say you need like a license or a permit or maybe a logo designed, they can do all of that on here. So feel free to click anything else you need, or if you want to go back in after this video and check these other options out, like I said, it's just everything's all in one, which I love. But we're just going to click LLC and EIN for now. This is asking what we've done already. We can just skip this part here. And you discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, and this is so cool. So Taylor Brands offers a free 12-week coaching program. I always like to click this one because, it's free. Maybe I can learn something to help me make more money in my business, which, is the goal, right? So select if you'd like it or not. I will be taking it. And then you're just going to enter your personal information right here. And then you can create a password. Okay, so now it's asking you which plan that you need. So you can check these out. They offer a bunch of different things. But for the purpose of filing your LLC and EIN number today, we don't need to pay anything extra, and let's just try to save as much money as we can, right? So we're going to click this light plan here. And this is asking if you'd like Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number or if you'll be doing it on your own. Now, if you do it on your own, you can do it through the IRS website, but keep in mind they're only open during the weekdays. You can't do filings on the weekends. And especially if you've never done an EIN number before, I just feel like it leaves room for error. And I just feel like doing it through Taylor Brands is one less thing I have to worry about. They will completely do it for me, and it's only $99. So I always select this option here. And then as far as being a registered agent, now if you live in Nebraska or you're just opening your business, you are more than likely your own registered agent. Now, if you don't live in Nebraska and you're opening an LLC in the state, or maybe your accountant has told you otherwise, then you may need to appoint someone that lives in Nebraska to be your registered agent. And if you're just, maybe I didn't mention something that applies for you, or you just want to make sure, Taylor Brands can help you figure it out. It's $199. But like I mentioned, you are more than likely your own registered agent, so you can select this option here. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year, your LLC has to be renewed. So it's just really important. Make sure you make a note to renew it. If you don't, you'll have to refile it. It's more money, and it's just really messy. So if you think that you can remember, you can handle the compliance on your own, which is what I'm going to do to save a little bit of money. If you're worried that you might forget and you have a lot going on, you're super busy, Taylor Brands can renew it for you every single year for $199. So it's just a cool option to have if you want to make sure that, that doesn't slip your mind. But like I mentioned, I'm going to save a little money today and just click this option here. And this is asking if you'd like your LLC expedited and filed within 2 days. It's $49 extra. To me, it's totally worth it. I want my LLC as soon as possible so I can get started. I have everything ready to go. If you're not in a rush and you want to save, the $49, you can wait for 2 weeks, which is still pretty quick. But I want that LLC as fast as possible. So I'm going to click this option here. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. So click, I'll figure it out myself. Would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. Okay, and this is an amazing service Taylor Brands provides. So let's say you're just starting your business and you don't really have a system set up yet for how you want to organize like your invoices and your bookkeeping and finances, or maybe you do have something set up, but maybe your business has grown really fast and you feel like you're not as organized as you would like to be. Taylor Brands can help you out and get you organized and set up for success. Basically, set you up so you know where all the money is going, you know where all the invoices are going, the bookkeeping, everything's going to be super organized so you can make the most of your business and know where every single cent is going. So if you're planning to really expand your business, or your business has already expanded and you want to make sure that you're on track like right now, they have a service where they can get you organized. I don't know the total cost at the end, but they do give you a free trial. You could try it out, see if you like it. For me, I have a really small business, so I'm just going to manage my own books and invoices. And yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. So now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for today. So the Nebraska state filing fee for your LLC is $103, and this is just a state required fee. So if you open 5 more businesses this year, you'd have to pay $103 for each of those filings. They're giving you the free business coaching program. And then there's also the 2-day expedited filing fee for $49. So we're getting that LLC in 2 days, really fast. We don't have to pay this. And you guys, today you're only getting charged for the LLC and the expedited filing. After the LLC goes through, they will then charge you for the EIN, which is $99. So you'll only have to pay that first amount today. So then you're going to enter your credit card information. After this, it's going to ask you some basic info like name and address and really easy stuff. So make sure you fill out everything. But that's literally it, you guys. You have just filed your LLC and EIN number, and you can see how fast that was. Super easy. Taylor Brands pretty much does all of it for you. So if you have any questions or concerns or comments, feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to answer. But I hope this video was helpful to you, and I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.